So today's video is actually going to be very quick. So I've just filmed video 3, which is how to curl your hair with the Cloud 9s. So following on from this, I'm going to show you how to make your hair a little bit more glamorous. And again, very easy. All you really need is your trusty shine spray. And you want to either use a comb or a brush like Tangle Teaser. Actually, any brush will do, because basically I want you to brush out the curl. And you can see how quickly it just forms into lovely, beautiful rolls. So don't brush too aggressively, you just want to break up that curl. Until you're left with more of a wave. And with using a shine product, kind of flat iron it through your hair. And just sculpt the wave into shape. If you want to glamorize this a little bit more, I quite often take this side, just put a little bit of bit combing in it. So just hold quite a big section and just push your comb up to the roots and see how much more volume that's given me. And then run the comb through it so I can tuck it behind. So it feels like you've mastered the art of curling your hair, but this just takes it to a much more sort of glamorous sort of evening style, but without having to do much more effort to it. So you can just keep playing around with it till you just get a really lovely shape that you love. So yeah, within less than 3 minutes we've got a beautiful going out hairdo.